Assalamualaikum friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I am here with a linear equation which is 3x minus 5y divided by 7x minus 4y which is equal to 3 divided by 4, and we have to find x divided by y. So first of all we will multiply both sides by 7x minus 4y to remove this fraction. So 7x minus 4y multiply by 3x minus 5y divided by 7x minus 4y, which is equal to 3 divided by 4 into 7x minus 4y. So from here 7x minus 4y and 7x minus 4y will be cancelled out, and we have remaining here 3x minus 5y, which is equal to 3 divided by 4 7x minus 4y. Now we will remove this fraction, so we will multiply both sides by 4. So if we multiply both sides by 4, so it will become 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. So our new equation will become 4 into 3x minus 5y, which is equal to 3 into 7x minus 4y. You can also simply do its cross multiplication, that 4 into 3x minus 5y and 3 into 7x minus 4y, which is same as this expression. So now we will multiply it. 4 into 3 12x minus 20y, 3 7 times 21x minus 3 4 times 12y. Now we will combine like terms, which are 12x and 21x. So it will become 12x and it will become minus 21x because it will change its position from equal side, and minus 12y. So it will become positive 20y. So 12x minus 21x will become 9x and negative, because 21 has negative value and 21 is bigger than 12. So here we have 8y. Now we will divide both sides by negative 9. So negative 9 and negative 9 will be cancelled out, and we have here x is equal to minus 8 divided by 9y. Now we will multiply both sides by 1 divided by y. 1 divided by y into x, which is equal to minus 8 divided by 9y multiplied by 1 divided by y. So from here y and y will be cancelled out. So it will become 1 into x is x divided by y minus 8 divided by 9. So it is our required answer, which is x divided by y is equal to minus 8 divided by 9. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.